Viewer or listener disclaimer. Nothing in this presentation is a recommendation to buy or sell Forex currency, equity stocks, or option contracts. Trader's Choice FX, FXDD, or GAIN, Covered Call Wins, Forex Wins, or any of its partners or affiliates are not liable for any losses which may arise directly or indirectly from the use of any posted website information, tools, or reliance on such information. The information you are about to be presented is believed to be truthful and is for educational purposes only. Hi, this is Herm, and let's begin our short lesson on the simple daily Forex trading strategy. This is a strategy that I have been, in fact, I found it on the internet and I've been working on it to develop it, and we're going to break this lesson into two parts. Part one is the public domain one. I give back knowledge that I have gained, so I give you this information. And the second part is reserved for my subscribers only. And it has some other features and benefits that the public is not going to be fortunate to have. And my website is www.forexwins.com. You can visit and you can actually look at the menu and find this information. And so let's begin. We have the MT4 software loaded. We have the daily time frame. And we're using the Euro-US currency pair. Although this particular strategy will work for every single currency pair. And what we do with this one currency pair, the Euro-US, you do the same thing to the other ones. So you can simultaneously switch from one to the other and look for trading opportunities. Now, what's unique about this particular strategy is that it uses the a technical indicator on the bottom. It's actually combined of two public domain indicators, and we're going to call it AC. And the AC is what really gives you the signals. So when you look at it, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. And basically what you're looking for is the two lines on the bottom, the two indicators, to cross over the center line on the 0-0, and when that happens, that's when you get a trade. So when it crosses above, that is a buy signal. When it falls below, it is a sell signal. Both of those indicators at the same time. And we'll give you examples and we'll zoom in later on and show you. Okay, so that's basically how this thing works. You set it on the daily, look for the two indicators on the bottom, the AC, to cross somewhere above or below the 0-0. If it crosses above, it is a buy signal. If it drops below, there is a sell signal. So you would place a sell order. And you can see that in several places, you can tell that right here you get the green bar crossing up and it's starting to go positive. And if you notice the price, it is also starting to curve and go positive. But when you get these two indicators right here, and it crosses above this zero line here, that's when it gets into a positive. And if you leave it alone, set it for our default, which I'm suggesting that you set it at a take profit of 50 pips and a stop loss of 100 pips. Now, let me just tell you that so far I've been trading this for over a month, and I've made 32 trades looking at these indicators, made 32 trades, and 32 of them have been profitable. And we're talking about, if you can see, I started with in a demo account $10,000, and it's now up to $17,531. So that's almost a 76% return in 1 month. And I was really blown away that I have used other methods to scalp and do swing trading in Forex. But this was free information, and I looked at it and I tried it and I said, yeah, right. And the next thing you know, it started to produce, my 10th consecutive win. I was saying to myself, holy moly, can I do this with every currency pair? And sure enough, you can. And I discovered some other things of how you can make it even more responsive. And again, that information I'll share with the subscribers only. And what else we have on here? We have on the upper right hand corner, which is show price, and it shows you the opening bar closing bar, high and low, and the average, so it gives you more information. And that was not available in the public domain. That's something that I added to make it easier. And I also have my own EA where I send out email alerts to anyone who's interested. And again, I'll give that information later. That's a public domain also in Yahoo. And so let me just go over the rules again. When you look at the AC on the bottom, anytime you have those two indicators cross above or below the center line of 0, 0, that is the signal for a trade. If it crosses above, it's a buy order. If it crosses below, drops below, it's a sell order for that currency pair. And you would place the take profit at 50 and the stop loss at 100. And let me just show you a little. When you do place an order, if you had an order in there and you right click and you had change order, it will, once you do the first setup for the take profit and the stop loss, you can go back and just click on the red and blue and it will fill in that information for that particular currency pair and order. And it will set the parameters for the take profit and stop loss, so it will save you some time. So if you have any more questions and you wish to contact me, please contact me at my website. And what I use this for is this is built into MT4 software, where it shows you to tag the right price on the right. And what I do is when I place an order, I usually place it next to it so I can see how much progress I'm making. So if I placed an order here and you can see the pips and the price going up, you can see how much difference from the 54.34 to the 55.89 there was, in profit. So then I can take the order, maybe take the profit sooner, take it off the table if I see that it's going in a different direction, or some news event that I hear that I might get a little nervous and I take the money off the table. So I have the majority of these have run its course. And let me switch this over to the history here to give you a sneak peek on that. And as you can see, here are all the profit trades here. The smaller ones, the 490 is the one that runs through all the way and grabs the full 50 pips. So you can see the green here. The other times I start the trade and it's going nicely and I see something's starting to change and it backs off, so I manually close it out. But the ones that are the 50 pips, you can see the green where it scores the profit there. And you can see all the trades. You can see it's quite impressive. This is a manual system. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to do it. I've placed the orders for one lot sizes, a standard account. You can start lower if you like, if you want to be more conservative. Certainly practice this in a demo account before you try to do this live. And that's it for the public domain free portion of this. And stop by my website at www.forexwins.com. Thank you.